2025 turned out to be a defining year for China's military modernization. From the long-anticipated moment when Fujian officially entered service to real-world attention around the J-10C Vigorous Dragon, the year brought together technology, platforms, and strategy in visible ways. In this video, we break down 10 major China military developments in 2025, what they reveal, and why they matter together. The first theme defining 2025 is simple but powerful: large platforms moving from development into active service, signaling maturity rather than experimentation. 1. Fujian enters service. China's third aircraft carrier, Fujian, officially entered service in December at a ceremony in Hainan. This moment was significant not because of symbolism alone, but because it marked the transition from testing to structured operational planning. With its electromagnetic launch system and flat-deck design, Fujian is built to support heavier aircraft, higher sortie rates, and more flexible air operations. Its entry into service signals that China is now focusing on refining procedures, crew coordination, and long-term deployment patterns rather than basic platform validation. 2. Sichuan Type 076 completes sea trials. China's next-generation amphibious assault ship, commonly referred to as the Sichuan Type 076, completed its first sea trials in 2025. Designed with a strong emphasis on uncrewed aerial vehicles and vertical lift operations, the ship reflects evolving thinking about amphibious missions. Instead of relying solely on traditional helicopters, the design prioritizes drone deployment, rapid reconfiguration, and multi-role flexibility, suggesting a broader shift in how maritime platforms are expected to operate. 3. Underwater unmanned systems described as disruptive. A Chinese military research journal described new underwater unmanned systems as disruptive, highlighting advances in autonomy, coordination, and intelligent behavior. While technical details remain limited, the language used indicates confidence that these systems are moving beyond theoretical research. Their development suggests increasing emphasis on persistent, long-duration underwater presence without the logistical burden of crewed platforms. 4. Anti-drone barrage system unveiled. China unveiled what developers described as the world's first close-in anti-drone barrage system. Designed to address high-density drone activity, the system reflects global recognition that low-cost, autonomous aerial platforms are reshaping airspace management. Its introduction highlights how defensive technologies are evolving alongside offensive and surveillance systems, reinforcing the need for layered responses. The second defining theme of 2025 is credibility through performance, particularly in the air domain and strategic signaling. J-10C draws global attention. In 2025, the J-10C Vigorous Dragon became the subject of sustained international discussion following reports tied to an India-Pakistan aerial encounter. Comparisons with France's Dassault Rafale quickly moved the conversation beyond regional interest. What distinguished this moment from earlier coverage was context. The aircraft was discussed alongside training standards, avionics, data link performance, and operational coordination, rather than promotional claims or exercise footage. As a result, perceptions shifted toward evaluating Chinese-built aircraft as part of contemporary air forces, assessed on integration and reliability rather than novelty. 6. JL-1 airborne missile revealed. China's unveiling of the Jinglei-1 JL-1 air-launched missile introduced a new layer of flexibility to its strategic framework. Designed for carriage by a modified H-6N aircraft, the JL-1 adds mobility and adaptability to long-range planning. Analysts emphasize that air-based options complement land and sea-based systems by allowing repositioning and varied deployment patterns. The broader significance lies in operational choice. Airborne platforms enable planners to adjust posture, routes, and readiness without relying on fixed infrastructure. 7. AI and system integration highlighted at Military Parade. China's September Military Parade placed emphasis on connectivity rather than individual platforms. AI-enabled uncrewed vehicles, coordinated formations, and digital command concepts were presented, as a unified approach. The display suggested a design philosophy focused on data sharing, sensor fusion, and cross-platform coordination. Rather than showcasing isolated hardware, the parade highlighted how different technologies are intended to function together across domains, reinforcing the importance of integration over singular performance metrics. 8. Stealth drones and loyal wingman concepts showcased. Also featured were stealth drones, including platforms described as loyal wingmen designed to operate alongside crewed aircraft. These systems aim to extend sensing coverage, relay information, and support decision-making without replacing human pilots. The concept centers on collaboration, where uncrewed platforms augment endurance and awareness while remaining tightly linked to crewed operations. This approach reflects a broader shift toward mixed human-machine teams as a standard design principle. Taken together, these four developments show how China's air power trajectory in 2025 emphasized credibility, integration, and strategic signaling, shaping perceptions through coherence rather than spectacle. The third major theme shaping China's 2025 military developments is technological acceleration, especially in autonomy, scale, and propulsion. 9. Mosquito-sized micro-drone developed. Researchers at China's National University of Defense Technology revealed a mosquito-sized micro-drone designed for discrete observation tasks. The significance lies less in its immediate application and more in the engineering behind it. Miniaturization at this scale demands breakthroughs in energy storage, materials science, and precision control. These advances often transfer into civilian fields such as medical devices, sensors, and industrial robotics, extending the impact beyond defense-related use. 10. Mach 16 Oblique Detonation Engine tested. Chinese scientists successfully tested a jet fuel-powered oblique detonation engine capable of supporting speeds up to Mach 16. The use of standard aviation kerosene is particularly notable, suggesting a focus on practicality rather than laboratory-only experimentation. This type of propulsion research points toward future aerospace systems where speed, efficiency, and endurance are combined rather than traded off. AI is the common enabler. Artificial intelligence connects these advances across scale and function. AI allows micro-drones to stabilize and navigate autonomously, enables underwater platforms to operate independently for extended periods, and supports real-time optimization in advanced propulsion systems. This reduces reliance on constant human input and increases adaptability in complex environments. From microscale to extreme speed, what stands out in 2025 is the technological range on display. China demonstrated progress at both extremes, from devices small enough to sit on a fingertip to engines designed for near-space velocities. Despite the contrast in size and function, both are guided by the same principles. This consistency suggests a long-term roadmap rather than disconnected experimentation. Viewed together, these 10 developments explain why 2025 stands out as more than a year of announcements. What emerged was a pattern of convergence: large platforms entering service, air systems gaining international attention, and advanced technologies maturing at both the smallest and fastest extremes. From the operational debut of Fujian to the global discussion surrounding the J-10C Vigorous Dragon, the emphasis shifted toward usability, coordination, and perception. At the same time, progress in autonomy, artificial intelligence, and propulsion showed how future capability is being shaped long before deployment. What makes 2025 notable is not any single platform or technology, but how these elements reinforce one another. Carriers, aircraft, drones, and engines are increasingly designed as parts of connected systems rather than standalone achievements. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates on space exploration and scientific discoveries, and don't forget to leave a comment below. Also, you can visit our website, SpaceEyeNews.com. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.